Hi guys, and welcome back to this quick tutorial. And in this tutorial we're testing our relay module. So I connected a 5 volts power supply to the relay. So this is the VCC. This is the VCC right here. This is the ground, and this is the input cable to the relay. So when this is connected to a high voltage, 5 volts, the relay is going to be on, and otherwise it's off. So now the relay is off, and when we connect this to the 5 volts, the relay turns on. As you can see, the sound, and this LED turns on. And of course, these here are the pins that we're going to use to control the other circuit. So this is the common pin in the middle, and this is the normally closed, and this is the normally open. So when the relay is off, the common is connected to the normally closed, and when the relay turns on, the common is connected to the normally open. So that's it guys for this series of tutorials, and thanks a lot for watching.